A mixed picture for the market today. Dow's down 20, Nasdaq's up 33. David Stryzewski, market watcher of the morning. All right, David, Microsoft and Alphabet kick off big tech earnings after the bell today. In your opinion, which of those two companies is best positioned with AI?
Well, in particular, I believe Microsoft has to be one of the best positioned companies today, as they made that early $30 billion investment in the Chat GPT, which, by the way, fastest app to reach 100 million participants. They did that in 2 months. It took Facebook, in contrast, 4 years to be able to do that. So, hey, who's really going to be on top here? Well, I think that Google, is positioned well, but they got a lot to lose, in my opinion, in comparison to Microsoft, as Microsoft's really integrating, the Chat GPT into everything. And they've got more of a subscription-based model as opposed to Google, which is more, ad-driven. And so, that subscription-based model, I think, is ultimately going to win in the long run because it's just got people regularly going in here. But also, Microsoft has integrated AI into their Bing search engine system. So, where Google has really dominated everything, if we can get Bing to, give us more streamlined answers, I think that you're going to find that Google's got a lot to lose in that. But then also, when you talk about AI, I think that privacy is an important one. And it's a big consideration, when you start giving away all your information, that all of Google's AI engineers are actually in China. And so I think that concerns a lot of Americans, including myself.
Okay, there's a Fed meeting starts today. What do you say? One more rate hike and then no more, and we're off to the races. What do you think?
Well, I think that they're done after today. I don't see how they can actually really do that with the banks where the banks are right now, because they've got 3% commitments on mortgages.
If it was just one and done, is that it? And a nice rally?
Yeah, I think that we could get a nice rally here, at least in the short term. I'm just not seeing a broad-based earnings recovery. And so the macro backdrop, leaves me a little bit speculative right now. But I think that there are places inside of this market that you can make money. I think there are ways that we can certainly be positioned here for the future. Will big tech be the only answer? I think that we learned that lesson in the dot-com crash. We need diversification. We need ideas. We got a lot going on here. So
I just think this market wants to go up. But as of now, when the market just opens, I think the Dow's going to go down. David, thanks for joining us. I know we'll see you again soon. Right.